This is Motorola Moto E13, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to begin with, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store app, sign into your Gmail account if necessary, then at the search bar type in the Opera query. Once any app is found, click at this green install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively. And by the way, as you will see now, that does not take a lot of time at all. Alrighty, now we can go ahead and launch the app. In here, tap at the blue continue button, then decide whether you would like to enable the Opera notifications, or you can skip this step. The same applies for setting Opera as your default browser app. You can either make it right off the bat or well, skip this step, and at this final page you can either customize the permissions and accesses that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for today's video. We highly appreciate your attention, thanks for watching, and bye bye.